Ever wondered how some people use ChatGPT to get mind-blowing results, while others barely scratch the surface? The truth is, it's not about luck, it's about how you prompt it. Today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful prompt methods that'll completely change the way you use AI forever. Each one is simple, practical, and proven to unlock ChatGPT's real potential. This is Incognito Future Lab, where the future speaks in code. Prompt 1, the expert role method. Instead of asking ChatGPT what to do, tell it who to be. When you define its role, the response instantly becomes sharper and more human. Try saying this. Act as a senior YouTube strategist. Write a viral short script about AI that captures attention in the first 3 seconds. Notice the difference. It writes like a professional, not a robot. When you give ChatGPT context and authority, it steps into that character and produces insight you didn't know it was capable of. Prompt 2, the step-by-step breakdown. Big questions often lead to vague answers. So instead, ask ChatGPT to break down the task before solving it. Say this: before you answer, outline the logical steps you'll take to reach the solution. Now it's not just responding, it's thinking like a planner. You'll see detailed reasoning, structure and flow, the kind you'd expect from an actual expert mapping out their process. This method alone will take your results from basic to brilliant. Prompt 3, parallel thinking. Great creators test ideas from multiple angles. So when you're stuck or unsure what direction to take, ask ChatGPT to think in parallel. Say, give me 3 versions of this idea: emotional, logical, and mysterious. Now you can instantly compare styles and tones, spotting what truly connects with your audience. It's like having 3 creative directors brainstorming for you at once. This trick saves time and unlocks creativity you didn't even know you had. Prompt 4, the refinement loop. Once you've got your first draft, don't stop there. Tell ChatGPT to improve its own answer. Say, now rewrite that to sound more natural, smoother, and better paced for a voiceover. Each time you do this, the AI adapts to your personal rhythm and tone. You're not just getting an answer, you're training your own creative assistant. Keep looping the process until it sounds like something you'd actually say. That's when it stops feeling like a machine and starts sounding like your co-writer. Prompt 5, the real-world command. Treat ChatGPT like your digital assistant, not a search box. Be clear, specific, and confident. Say, write a 1-minute cinematic script about artificial intelligence. With tension, rhythm, and impact, no filler. When you speak to it with intention, it mirrors that energy back. That's how you generate ready-to-use scripts, ideas and plans that feel polished from the start. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's a creative partner waiting for precise direction. Now that you know how to talk to AI like a pro, it's your turn to put these prompts into action. Try them today, experiment with your own variations, and tell me in the comments which one changed your results the most. And if you want to go even deeper into how artificial intelligence is reshaping humanity itself, check out the next episode, The Rise of Superintelligence. It's one of the most powerful stories we've ever covered. This is Incognito Future Lab, your guide to the age of intelligence.